This is a very quick tutorial to show you how to start FORCsensei and how to execute commands inside Colab. So two key things to begin with. I'm using the Chrome browser and you can see that I'm logged into my Google account here. So I'm at the FORCsensei website and I simply scroll down to Launch FORCsensei, and that will open a new tab in Colab that contains the Jupyter notebook for processing. We have here a little welcome sign followed by our first code command where we need to install the FORCsensei package from GitHub. And commands in Jupyter notebooks are executed very simply by clicking on the code cell like that and then hitting Shift and Enter together, and that will execute the cell. When we first run the cell, we'll get a warning message that the notebook has been downloaded from GitHub. We can say run anyway. Are you sure you want to reset all runtimes? Yes, this will just start us from the beginning. And you can see now that we've got a little icon here that shows that processing is occurring. We may get some updating text, but eventually this command completes. You can see we've now got a number 1, which means that the code has been completed, and we can now scroll down and continue with the FORCsensei processing in the same way, where we can simply select code cells and press Shift and Enter to execute them. And there's a number of tutorials available which can be played from this panel here. You simply select the number of the tutorial that you want to watch. For example, number 2, load fork data file. You'd enter number 2 in here and then press Shift and Enter and the tutorial video will play. From then on, it's just a case of sequentially going through the different components of the notebook, executing the code and ultimately getting your processed forks.